Sup guys, here we are in a new video, and this video I'm going to show you how to get the best quality PC games, where to get them from, and finally how to download and install them on your computer, all for free. But first, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Alright, let's dive into it. Steam is a digital platform that serves as a platform for distributing high quality PC games. Some of you might know of Epic Games, so it's something like Epic Games but a little bit different. So let's launch Steam and see all the amazing PC games they have there. I'm going to show you how to download and install it on your computer. Let's dive into it. So here we are, and these are some games I downloaded already from Steam. This is Brawlhalla. Okay, sorry. And this is another game I started downloading but haven't finished downloading it yet. So that's just it. This is just my game library. So on this side here, this is the main store. As you can see, this is Resident Evil 4. There are amazing, trending and latest games here. So when you go to racing down here, just click on racing. Okay, here we are. There are amazing racing games here. So this is Forza Horizon. It's an amazing car racing game. This is one of the best car racing games in the world, and it's really amazing. So just scroll down here, you can see the system requirements for downloading this game. So make sure to check that before trying to download it so that it can work with your computer. Well, what we have here is Grand Theft Auto 5, GTA 5. You can also download GTA 5 from Steam, so make sure to go check out if you want to download this. So back to the store. When it comes to action, these are just some categories I'm showing you right here. There are a lot of games. There are paid versions and there are free versions. So as you all know, the paid versions are going to be much better. So if you have money, you can pay for those, but there are also some free versions which are very amazing. So this is a category for the free versions. You don't have to pay anything, you just need to download it and then start playing. And again, before downloading any game here, make sure to check the system requirements so that it can work with your computer. If not, after downloading the game, it won't run on your computer. So that doesn't make any sense. Make sure to check first before downloading a game here. So let me show you how to download and install a game from Steam. Scroll down here. Okay, add to library. And once you do that, okay, go to your library up here and check, and the game is going to appear right here. So you are just going to install it. This game won't be installed on my computer because I'm using a MacBook. It's running on Mac OS, but if you are using a Windows, it's going to run on your computer. So from here you'll be able to install it and make some adjustments to the game. It's very simple. So you can really do a lot with Steam. There are a lot of interesting games here, a lot of action games, a lot of racing games, a lot of adventures. So make sure to go check. This is another amazing game right here. Excuse me. Okay, this one. So there are a lot of games here. Let's try checking this one. Okay, let's scroll down to see the system requirements. Okay, so this is a paid version. You have to pay before downloading the game. It's very interesting. So this is the system requirements. After checking the system requirements, then you'll be able to pay for the game and then download it on your computer. So it's pretty much easy. That's all about Steam. So that's basically what Steam does, and I'm sure there's an amazing platform to get your PC games from. We have both free and paid versions in different categories. So make sure to go create a Steam account and check out all the amazing games they have there. That's all for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And until then, I'm gonna meet you guys in the next one. Peace.